Okay, so as the tradition of the conference from previous year, we start every session with saying a few sentences in different language. If you understand them well, good for you. If not, it's totally normal. No need to panic. به نام خداوند بخشنده مهربان، درود و خوش آمد بر همگی به همایش خوارزمی‌های آینده. همانطوری که پیشتر اعلام شده زبان برنامه انگلیسی است، بنابراین این آخرین جمله هایی که به زبان فارسی از من میشنوید. Now for Thai and apologize for my bad pronunciation. سوادی کراب توکتان ایندی دون رب کاوسو گانسمینا الگوریتم هنگ آناکوت کراب. Now for everyone else, hi and welcome to Future Algorithms 2025. We had a very interesting day yesterday, and we have an even busier day today. And I will go through the schedule in a bit later. But before that, a few quick advertisements. We have in Coventry University Apply to Apply program initiated from 2024. It's for talented candidates, I emphasize on the talented, that want to apply for Marie Curie postdoctoral fellowship or in general any other kinds of competitive fellowship that they can do at UK. You can share this QR code with them. It will take them to a link with a very nice summary of the program. Coventry is going to offer a bit of extra support and help to help the candidate to have a stronger proposal and application that increases their chance of success. We have a conference next month in July at Crete, island in Mediterranean Sea that you can see in the map. This is the 4th edition of this conference. We had it at Turkey, then Poland, then UK, and this time it is at Greece. It is called CASIN Life, Computer Algebra Software in Life Sciences. The goal is to gather experts from 3 different domains: mathematics, computer science, and life science, which life science itself is a vast area of topics, biology, chemistry, population dynamic, ecology, and so on. The goal is to gather these people so they can interact and have a conversation to come up with new idea and multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary projects. We don't have only talks from the Western Bloc, but this year we have speakers from Japan, Philippines, and South Africa. So it's a very exciting event. I hope that some of you can join. There is a fully funded PhD position at University of Bath. The DOS is Dr. Ali Kemal Unju, a speaker of yesterday morning session. Another member of the supervisory team is Professor James Davenport, a very famous face in computer algebra. The QR code will take you to a link with the description of the position. I was told that the page says the position is closed, but it is not closed. It is still open, and they're actively looking for good candidates. So please share it with them. The topic is similar to the talk that Dr. Unju gave yesterday. If you were not lucky to be at the talk yesterday, you can watch the recorded version of the talks, which will be available a few days later. Come back, check the website of the event. So these are the advertisements. And now let's say a few words about the conference that we have right now itself. For most of you, it's very clear what is the idea behind the name of the event. But for a few of you, still can be a question that why the word algorithm in the title, but face of a person in the picture, what is the relation? So let's answer that question. Khwarezm is a Persian word, and it's a geographical region on the that you can see on the map. You can also see the way it was written in the Old Persian in cuneiform script 2,500, 600 years ago. And in Persian language, when you want to create an adjective for a location or a country, you just add E at the end of the noun. So Khwarezmi means from Khwarezm. And this structure went to several other languages. For example, when you say Bangladeshi, Pakistani, Afghani, and Iraqi, it is because of the influence of Persian in those regions. And when British went to those areas, they took these words into English language. It's not only for the locations, you can see it for other places, other things. For example, Khaki is a color name. Khak is a Persian word meaning soil. Khaki means related to soil. In this case, color of the soil. So from Persian went to Urdu, and from Urdu it went to English. So Khwarazmi is name of this person living 780 to 850 AD, is a Persian mathematician, and he has contribution to many other things, astronomy, geography, and other things. You can search it online. Khwarazmi from Persian, the word went to Arabic, they add al, so it became al-Khwarazmi, and then it went to Latin, Western language, English, and become algorithm. So algorithm is in fact name of this mathematician. As a side note, you can see the word Khwarazm in other places. For example, Khwarezmian Empire is a Persian dynasty. At their peak, 1215, their domain was like this. It doesn't have any relation with the mathematician that we just showed. It's several hundred years after his death. The reason of the name is Khwarezmian means house of Khwarezmi, and the reason is the ruling family were from Khwarezm region. So back to Khwarazmi, he wrote several inspiring books. For example, Al-Jabr wal-Muqabalah, which the word algebra comes from title of that book. In his works, he was giving step-by-step instructions to solve problems, and hence the concept of algorithm. So they chose his name for this concept. Now, the idea behind our conference is to inspire, motivate, and help today young students to become future Khwarazmis who will create new algorithms that our life will be influenced by them. So if you haven't checked the website of the event, please do so. There are several things that you can click on them. For example, a schedule for seeing the time of the program that we have, the talk abstracts to see abstracts of the presentations and see which one is of your interest to participate. Then competition, please click on that. There are 4 posters submitted by our brave students who need your questions, comments, suggestions, advice to improve their work. So please go there, click there, and on each poster, if you click, you can see the higher quality PDF. Today we have the event when they are looking forward to your feedback. The gallery, if you click on it, it's a placeholder right now. We want to have a group photo. But we are online, so after a few days or at the end of the event, we will send you an email asking for photo. If you are interested to be in the group photo, send us a photo in reply to that email with your face in it. It will be a good memory. We will create an artificial group photo, but not with AI. It's a human design. So the schedule. Right now, we have 3 talks. The third speaker of yesterday could not make it to that session, so we moved him to today. So we have a half an hour extra right now. Then at 12 UK time, we have the poster competition. And at 4 p.m. UK time, we have 4 interesting talks, especially Noah Fallenstein, a well-known face in game industry and a very inspiring speaker. I'm looking forward to that. At 6 p.m. UK time, we have the announcement of winners of the poster competition and the closing of the whole thing. So we are going to wait 5 more minutes until 8 a.m. UK time sharp. And then I will start introducing the speakers.